through experiencing crashing issues while playing GTA 5, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Follow these steps to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for GTA 5. Check the game's official website for the specifications and compare them with your system's capabilities. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. Installing the latest drivers can help improve performance and stability. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam or Epic Games, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them as needed. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings within the game. Reducing options such as texture quality, shadow quality, and resolution can help alleviate strain on your system and reduce the likelihood of crashes. Step 5. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background while playing the game. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or other resource-intensive applications can conflict with GTA 5 and lead to crashes. By following these steps, you can help minimize crashing issues in GTA 5 and enhance your overall gaming experience. If problems persist, consider seeking further support from gaming forums or the official support channels.